Hey everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use your reward points online so that you can get money off of your next order. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you can go to my account and then go down to reward points. And then on the top left corner, you can see how many points you've earned. And then on the right there, it gives you the directions on how to generate your coupon. But basically, for every 100 points you have, you can get $1 off. And so in that box right there, if you have 500 points, you can put 500 and you get $5 off. Let's say you have 500 points, but you only want to use 200 points, then you can just put that 200 in there. So right now, I'm going to make a $1 coupon code, and so I'm going to enter 100 points in there. And you can see the coupon code, it popped up. So I'm going to want to write this down or take a picture of it so that I have it for later, and I'm going to use it in my shopping cart. So now I'm just going to go really fast through the process. I'm going to go pick a design, and then I'm going to add it to my cart. Checkout, and to the left on the bottom you can see the coupon code and where to put that code in that it generated for you. So after you do that, you click redeem, and then on the right there you can see next to discount where it's going to put your discount on there. Then once you're done with that, you can click continue. And then on this next screen, it's also going to have your discount displayed there for you. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any other questions for us about our website or just anything at all, you can always feel free to call us.